Hey guys, just want to do a quick video of some things I just got for my Breville espresso machine. Here's the MATOW 54mm dosing funnel. It's really well made, nice machining, no burrs. Got the IMS basket, 14 to 18 gram size, and this WEIGHTMAN scale with the timer. Turn that on. But first, before I weigh it, I'm just going to show you the fitment on this. Fits real nice. I'll flip it around. Oops. And it's not exact, but it's fine. So this funnel weighs 4.84 ounces, or 137.1 grams, and the basket is 24.9 grams, or 0.88 ounces.